Welcome to this meditation for listening to your body. Our body is sending us messages all the time. All we need to do is learn how to tune into our body to understand what it is asking for. So please take a deep breath in and close your eyes, exhaling any tension in the body. Let's begin slowing down. Feel your breath flowing in an automatic rhythm. Observe the air coming in and out. Imagine that your breath is slowing down just a little bit, making you feel more relaxed. Breathing normally. Good. Feel any tension in the body melting away, starting in your arms. Let any tension in the arms go. And the legs. Allow any tension in the legs to melt away. Nice. One of the most important steps in learning to listen to your body is respecting it. So say to your body now, I love you, body. I will take care of you always. I trust you to take care of me. And I promise to listen and give you what you ask for. I cherish you, body, and I will treat you with love and care for as long as we live together. Breathing deeply, feeling the power of this message that you've sent to your body. It is very important